Howdy neighbor, welcome back to the channel. Alright, what are we going to do today? We're going to change out this pressure release valve that's on the water heater at my house. It's leaking. I already turned off the water, released the water pressure. I even turned the gas on vacation so that it won't kick the, what do you call it? The heater on. Since right now it's leaking outside. Stretch. Okay. Perfect. That's done. We're done. Move my tools out of the way, and then bend this. There you go. Alright. Perfect. It's in place. Oops, that kicked out. That way the gases go straight through the exhaust pipe there. Which way does it go? Oh man, okay, it goes that way. And you open it up slowly. You don't want to full throttle it because you could pop a line or something. Alright, and then now open it up all the way, and then put it back on hot. Alright. Yeah, I put it on very hot. That's why it kicked on. So I'll make sure it was going to kick on. Alright, neighbor, we are done. Well, I hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. You guys take care.